Hi guys, welcome to another Seb Sesh. I'm Seb, head mixologist at Gin and Tonic, and today I want to invite you to take a trip back in time, and we're gonna go all the way to Prohibition times and learn about one of my favorite classic cocktails called the White Lady. So the White Lady, well, this is a cocktail that evolved into its original form after loads and loads of tweaks and variations. So the first actual written recipe of it, we have it dating back to 1919, Chiro's Bar here in London. Then, just 4 years later, 1923, we have a different version of it, an improved version of it, popping up in Paris at the Savoy New York Bar. The drink was delicious. 1923, the drink was delicious, but there was still something missing there. It was in 1930 that the final element came to complete the recipe with just a simple addition of egg white. Thus, the White Lady was born. So for this cocktail, we're gonna start off by pre-chilling a glass. And I'm just gonna add a few ice cubes to it and pop it on the side. Next, I will be doing a long peel, and this will be our garnish. So I'm gonna be doing a long and beautiful lemon peel all around the lemon. Right, next we're gonna go ahead and juice. We're gonna be using 25 of lemon. So I'm gonna go ahead and juice half of it. All right, last but not least, we're gonna separate egg white. You may wanna keep the yolk for further experimentation, further cooking, There we go. Right, so now we're good to go. We're gonna start off by measuring 25 ml of fresh lemon juice and add that to the shaker. Sharp. Next, we're gonna add 25 ml of triple sec. Also, we're gonna be adding 20 ml of egg white. Right, so we have our balance, we have our sweet, our sour, we have our emulsifier in there. All it's missing is the gin. And for this cocktail, because it's a citrusy cocktail by nature, I went for our lovely London dry gin, distilled with heritage apples, but also roses and linden blossom. I'm gonna go for 50 ml. Right, next step, we're gonna go ahead and shake that without ice. So it just needs a dry shake to break all the texture of the egg. And I'm gonna push it one step further, create a bit more aeration to the drink by throwing it a few times. Right, so now we're just gonna go ahead and ice up everything and give that a firm shake. Right, now our glass is nice and chilled. We can discard the ice. And using the julep, but also the fine strainer, we're gonna double strain everything into our pre-chilled Nicanora. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and carve the garnish. And just attach that on the edge. And because I have a bit of a bitter palate, I'm gonna further this. Although it's not in the original, I do want to add 1 dash of Peychaud bitters, just creating that lovely, lovely line on the surface of the drink. So there we have it, guys. Fresh, citrusy, and damn right beautiful. The White Lady. Cheers.